This is the quiz 1 question paper 25th February 2024 software testing. So the question they are asking, how many dupairs are there for the variable b? So there are in the control flow graph there are two variables a, b, and they are asking to find the dupairs for the variable b. Pairs are d means definition and u means use pairs. So what is the definition? The definition of the variable b, use of the variable b. So dupairs are definition of the variable b, use of the variable b pairs. That is definition, use, pairs. There are two pairs. So in the control flow graph, where the b is defined, that is definition of b equals to definition of b. So at the node 1, b equals to y and a equals to x. b is defined, right? At node 1, b is defined. At node 4, b equal to a plus 1. Again b is defined, right? Node 4. And where the b is defined, 5 also, 5, b equal to a minus 1. So the definition of the variable b in the control flow graph are at nodes 1, 4, 5. What are the uses of variable b? Uses of b, that is where the variable b is used in the control flow graph. Here at the edge 1 to 2, b is used, right? That is one use, b greater than or equal to 0. That is edge 1 to 2, b is used. And the edge 1 to 3, b is used, that is b less than 0. 1 2 3, b is used. And where at the node 2 also b is used, right? a equal to b at node 2. And print b at node 7, b is used. So these are the uses of b and the definition of the b. So there are how many pairs are possible? So these are 3, these are 4, 3 times 4, 12 pairs are possible. 12 dupairs are possible. You can write all the 12 dupairs. So 1 to all those things. That is 1 to 2, 1 to 7, 1 to 1 comma 2 dupair, 1 to 1 comma 3 dupair. This is 1 dupair. Right, 4 comma 1 2, 4 comma 1 3, 4 comma 2, and 4 comma 7, 5 comma 1 2, 5 comma 1 3, 5 comma 2, and 5 comma 7. These are 12 dupairs. How many are valid dupairs? So valid dupairs, how many? There is no redefinition is possible. So these are the def clear path. That means def clear path. The path must be def clear. So for the valid dupair, okay. So we will check for the first one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. So the first dupair is 1 to 2. So 1 to 2, right? So this one. So here the definition of the variable b, and this is the use. There is no redefinition. So this is a valid dupair. Next one, 1 to 7. So 1 2 3, how we go 7? 1 2 3, 3 2 4, like this, right? Here definition is here, definition of the variable here, and here also definition, right? At node 4 also redefinition. So 1 to 7 is not a dupair. when we go to this path also, here the redefinition of the variable b. So 1 to 7 is not a valid du pair. Next 1 to 1 comma 2. So 1 here the definition of the variable b 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 means this is the edge, right? This is the edge they are using 1 to 1 comma 2. So is a valid du pair because the definition at the edge, at the last, here only we are using use at the edge and defined at the node, right? It is considered as a valid du pair without redefinition. Here we are not at the node 2, we are not redefine the variable b, here using the variable b. So it is a valid du pair 1 to 1 comma 3. So 1 to, so node 1 comma 3 is also a valid du pair because the definition first and use is the second. Use at the edge 1 to 3 b less than 0. This is a valid du pair. Next 4 comma 1 2. So 4 here the definition and 1 comma 2. Here, right, how we go? There are no backward edges. So here 1 comma 2. This is the use, this is the definition. It's not a valid du pair because there is no path also, no def clear path. So next 4 to 1 3. Here the definition, this is the use. So how you go from definition to use? There is no path, right? If we go 4 to 6, there is no path, no backward edges. So this is not a def clear path du pair. Next 4 comma 2. So 4 definition is at 4 and use at node 2. This is the use. How we go? This is also not a valid du pair. Next 4 comma 7. So definition at the node 4, definition at the node 4 and use at 7. So use means print 7. So this we can go this path, and this is a def clear also, def clear, because there is no redefinition in between 4 to 6 7. This is a valid du pair. So valid du pair, this is also 4 comma 7 is a valid du pair. Next 5 comma 1 2, that is u definition is at node 5 and use at 1 comma 2. This edge, how you go backwards? This is not a valid du pair. And definition at 5 and use at 1 3. So this one, use this one. So it's not a valid du pair. 5 comma 2. So this is the definition, use at node 2. This is also not a valid du pair. So 5 comma 7, this is the definition, use at 7, node 7. So there is a path, and this path is also def clear path. So it is a valid du pair. So the valid du pairs are 1 comma 1 2, 1 comma 1 2, first one 1 comma 2. Sorry, first one is 1 comma 2, right? 1 comma 2, 1 comma 1 2 and 1 comma 1 3, 1 comma 1 3 and 4 comma 7 and 5 comma 7. So valid du pairs are definition and use pairs, or answer for this question is 5. So that is, you can check, answer for this question is 5, but the answer is 6. According to my calculation, answer is 5. Okay, please check with instructor also. How many du pairs for the variable b? My answer is 5, but the given answer is 6. Du pairs, according to answers, answer is 6, right? How I am thinking that how the answer is 6 and another path is, so at the 3, at node 3, so at node 3, so there are 2 nodes, right? 4 and 5. So that is, it is a condition at the node 3. if the condition is true or false, right? For example, this is true condition, this is false. So if the condition is true, it will don't go this, right? Not in the node 5 path. 3 to 5 is not considered as a path. So at this time, if at the node 3 there is a condition and splits into two paths, 4 and 5. If the definition is at node 1, that is 1 to 7, so it is also considered as a du pair, valid du pair. How it is considered as a valid du pair? So from node 1 to 3, so there is a definition, okay? They consider as without redefinition, right? If the, for example, if it is true, if it is this branch is false, 3 to 5 branch is false, if 3 to 4 is true, if for example it is a node 3 is at condition, right? If the a condition, if it is true means it will go to this path, right? This path, it won't go this path at this time. So at node 4 only redefinition, right? So it considered as a redefinition of the variable b. So at node 5 no redefinition, right? No redefinition. According to my understanding, so if it is go to 4 this branch, so there is a definition from node 1 to 7. So this is the path. So definition at node 1 and use at node 7. So that is use at node 7 and definition at the node 1. So here and here. So by using this path, so this path, that is 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. So this is also considered as a valid du pair. I am thinking. So this is also considered as a valid du pair. So the answer for this question is 6. So if the condition is, for example, if at the node 3, if it is true, right, it will go false condition. So that is it considered as a redefinition at node 5. So there is no definition at node 4. No definition of the variable b at node 4. So that is node 1 to node 7 is a use case. There is no redefinition of the b. So the path must be clear and it will go like this. So this is considered also a valid du pair. So according to me, if at the conditions, so that is at node 3, if it splits into two nodes, at the conditions, so the two paths are possible. So according to answer is 6. They consider 1 to 7 is also a valid du pair. How many unique du pairs are there for the variable b? This one is important. Unique du paths. How many unique du paths are there for the variable b? 1 to 1, 2 is a unique du pair. So definition and use. So definition of the variable b at 1 to 1, 2. 3, 1 to 1, 3 is also unique du pair because the definition and use. This is also unique du pair. Next one is 4 to 7. 4, 7 is a unique du pair, and 5, 7 also. 5, 7 unique du pair. So the answer is 4 for this question. These are 4 unique du pairs. Why this is not a unique du pair? 1 to 2. So 1 to 2. So here unique they are asking 1 to 2, right? So this path 1, 2, that is definition at the 1, use at the edge 1, 2, and use also at the node 1, 2, right? There are two uses, so they are considering unique unique definition and unique users, unique du paths. So because of that it's not a unique du path. This is a du pair, valid du pair, but unique du pair, it's not unique du path. So these four are the according to answer, these four are the unique du paths for the variable b. The answer for this question is option A, 4. The definition and use is also at the node 2 and the use is also at the edge. Because of that they consider only unique users. So unique du path, that is from definition at node 1 and use at node edge 1 comma 2, not at node 2. So answer for this question is 4, not 5. So friends, thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel.